Benefits of AI in investing. Investing with AI offers numerous benefits. Let's explore how beginners like Alex can take advantage of AI tools to enhance their investment strategies and outcomes. One key benefit is the ability to access sophisticated data analysis and predictive modeling, even with limited investment knowledge. AI tools can help identify potential risks, optimize portfolio allocation, and improve investment returns. Welcome to the Investing Knowledge channel, your trusted source for valuable insights into the world of investing. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the investment landscape and how beginners like Alex can leverage AI tools to make informed investment decisions. Get ready to discover the power of AI in investing. Let's dive in. Before we begin, it's important to credit the credible sources that have contributed to the creation of this video. We've gathered insights and information from reputable sources such as Forbes, Investopedia, and Morningstar, as well as experts in the field of AI and investing. Let's explore the topic of starting investing with AI and how it can revolutionize your investment journey. Topic 1. Understanding artificial intelligence in investing. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. In the context of investing, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make data-driven investment decisions. Let's understand how AI is transforming the investment landscape. For example, AI can help investors analyze market trends, predict stock movements, and identify investment opportunities that may be overlooked by traditional methods. By leveraging AI, investors can gain a competitive edge and make more informed investment choices. Topic 2. Benefits of AI in investing. Investing with AI offers numerous benefits. Let's explore how beginners like Alex can take advantage of AI tools to enhance their investment strategies and outcomes. One key benefit is the ability to access sophisticated data analysis and predictive modeling, even with limited investment knowledge. AI tools can help identify potential risks, optimize portfolio allocation, and improve investment returns. Topic 3. Step-by-step guide to starting investing with AI. Now, let's walk through a step-by-step guide to help beginners like Alex get started with investing using AI tools. Step 1. Define investment goals. Begin by clarifying your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeframe. AI tools can provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences. Step 2. Research AI investment platforms. Explore various AI-powered investment platforms and tools available in the market. Consider factors such as user-friendliness, data sources, and transparency. Step 3. Open an account. Once you've selected an AI investment platform, follow the account opening process, which typically involves providing personal information and funding your account. Step 4. Profile creation. Complete your investor profile, including your investment preferences, risk tolerance, and any specific goals or restrictions you may have. Step 5. AI portfolio recommendations. Based on your profile, the AI tool will generate personalized investment recommendations tailored to your needs and preferences. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio and monitor performance. AI tools can provide real-time updates and alerts, helping you make timely adjustments. Topic 4. Risks and considerations. While AI can offer significant benefits, it's essential to be aware of the risks and considerations associated with investing with AI. These risks include potential algorithmic biases, reliance on historical data, and the need for ongoing monitoring and human oversight. It's important to understand the limitations and stay informed about the technology. Topic 5. Examples of AI investment tools. Let's explore some popular AI investment tools that beginners like Alex can consider when starting their AI-driven investment journey. Examples include robo-advisors, which provide automated investment services, and AI-powered stock analysis platforms that offer insights and recommendations based on data analysis. Here are a few more examples of AI investment tools that beginners can consider. 1. Robo-advisors. These online platforms use AI algorithms to provide automated investment services. They analyze your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance to create and manage a diversified portfolio on your behalf. 2. AI-powered trading platforms. These platforms leverage AI algorithms to analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades automatically. They aim to capitalize on short-term market opportunities and optimize trading strategies. 3. AI-based research platforms. These tools use AI technology to analyze vast amounts of financial data, news, and market sentiment. They provide investors with insights, trends, and recommendations to make informed investment decisions. For sentiment analysis tools, these tools use AI to analyze social media, news articles, and other sources to gauge market sentiment. They provide insights into how investors feel about specific stocks or market trends, helping investors make informed decisions. 5. AI-powered portfolio management tools. These tools use AI algorithms to continuously monitor and rebalance investment portfolios based on changing market conditions. They aim to optimize portfolio performance and ensure alignment with investment goals. 6. Machine learning-based stock screeners. These tools use machine learning algorithms to screen stocks based on specific criteria. They help investors identify stocks that meet their investment preferences, such as growth, value, or dividend-paying stocks. Remember to conduct thorough research and choose AI investment tools that align with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. It's important to understand the features, fees, and limitations of these tools before making any investment decisions. Topic 6. Case studies and success stories. To further illustrate the impact of AI in investing, let's dive into case studies and success stories of individuals who have successfully leveraged AI tools to achieve their investment goals. These stories highlight how AI has helped investors optimize their portfolios, improve returns, and make data-driven investment decisions. Here are a few more case studies and success stories of individuals who have successfully leveraged AI tools in their investment journeys. 1. John, a beginner investor. John was new to investing and felt overwhelmed by the complexities of the stock market. He started using a robo-advisor platform that employed AI algorithms. The platform analyzed his risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. With the help of AI, John's portfolio was automatically diversified across various asset classes. Over time, he saw consistent growth in his investments, and he felt more confident in his ability to navigate the market. 2. Sarah, an active trader. Sarah was an experienced trader looking to optimize her investment strategies. She started using an AI-powered trading platform that used machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and identify short-term trends. The platform provided real-time trade recommendations based on technical indicators and market sentiment. Sarah saw improved trading outcomes and was able to capitalize on market opportunities she might have otherwise missed. 3. Mike, a portfolio manager. Mike was a professional portfolio manager responsible for managing a diverse set of clients' investments. He incorporated an AI-based research platform into his investment process. The platform used natural language processing and data analytics to scan and analyze large amounts of financial data, news, and company reports. This allowed Mike to make data-driven investment decisions and provide his clients with personalized recommendations. 4. Lisa, a value investor. Lisa was a value investor who believed in investing in undervalued stocks with growth potential. She used an AI-powered stock screener that utilized machine learning algorithms to identify undervalued stocks based on fundamental metrics. The tool helped her quickly narrow down the universe of stocks and focus on those with strong potential. Lisa's investment performance improved as she discovered hidden gems in the market using AI. These case studies highlight how individuals from different backgrounds and investment styles have successfully utilized AI tools to enhance their investment strategies and achieve their financial goals. It's important to note that these success stories are specific to individual experiences and outcomes may vary. Always conduct thorough research and consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Congratulations! You've just completed an enlightening journey through the world of investing. In this video, we covered essential topics such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and commodities, providing you with a solid foundation to start your investment journey. We also explored how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming investing, empowering beginners like you to make smarter decisions. Remember, investing is a personal journey, and it's important to define your goals, research investment options, and stay informed. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on the Investing Knowledge channel, where we simplify investing for everyone. Don't forget to comment below and let us know your thoughts. Stay tuned for more valuable content that empowers you to achieve financial success. Note, investing involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your research, seek professional advice, and carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, may your path be filled with abundance, success, and happiness.